Thank you for tuning into today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today, we're navigating the significant regulatory shift in China's medical device landscape, the mandatory implementation of the GB 9706.1 2020 standard for medical electrical equipment. This standard, officially titled Medical Electrical Equipment, Part 1, General Requirements for Basic Safety and Essential Performance, was issued on April 9, 2020, and officially came into effect on May 1, 2023. It represents a major update to China's electrical safety requirements, replacing the previous GB 9706.1 2007 version. The new standard is a modified adoption of the international standard IEC 60601-1, edition 3.1, signaling China's move towards greater harmonization with global best practices. For manufacturers, understanding the transition is critical. Since May 1, 2023, all new medical device registrations for electrical equipment must comply with GB 9706.1 2020. For devices already holding NMPA certificates, the situation is more nuanced. The National Medical Products Administration granted a grace period. Initially, the deadline for these existing products to comply was December 31, 2025. However, the effective compliance deadline can extend to May 1, 2026, marking a 3-year transition window from the standard's effective date. The exact deadline can depend on the product's classification and whether specific supporting collateral or particular standards apply. It is crucial for manufacturers to verify the precise timeline applicable to their specific products. So, what are the most significant changes? The new standard introduces a much stronger emphasis on risk management throughout the product lifecycle, aligning with the ISO 14971 philosophy. It's no longer sufficient to only consider basic safety. Manufacturers must now also formally define and evaluate the essential performance of their devices. This means ensuring the device performs as intended to maintain clinical functionality and patient safety, even under fault conditions. Other major updates include revised requirements for marking and labeling, distinct requirements for operator and patient protection, and updated specifications for mechanical hazards and fire prevention. Failure to meet these new requirements by the deadline is not an option. Non-compliant devices will face significant market access barriers, including the inability to renew registrations and potential removal from the market during spot checks by provincial authorities. The testing process under the new standard is more rigorous and requires reports from CMA-certified labs, which have been increasing in number to meet demand. Given the complexity and the approaching deadlines, early planning and action are essential for a smooth transition. If you need assistance navigating the complexities of the GB 9706 standard or any other aspect of global market access, Pure Global is here to help. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.